Hi everyone, आज हम बात करेंगे कि what is the ideal age or what is the minimum age in which we can do a hair transplant. So I'm Dr. Sudhanshu from Divine Aesthetics, and everyone does ask us what is the youngest age in which somebody can get a hair transplant. So ideally, it's a very safe procedure, and having said that, there's not a particular age जिस पे हम hair transplant नहीं कर सकते. Earliest we've actually gone is somebody who is 17 years of age. But in general, most patients and their family likes to wait for at least to 18-19 years, because usually उस time तक इतना problem hair loss के terms में नहीं आती. Now for the person who was 17 years of age, he had already lost half of his hair. Obviously for that age, when with he's maturing, he has to go to college, so many things have to change. His hairline being that receded was not acceptable to him, his parents, and even us. Hence, he was a rare patient जिसमें हमने थोड़ा जल्दी सर्जरी करी थी. But as a routine, majority patients after 19-20 years surgery करा ही लेते हैं, because उस time तक at least hairline shift कर जाती है, या there are certain areas जहाँ पे they have already experienced hair loss. And hair transplant being an extremely safe surgery, which is done in local anesthesia, can easily be done in this age group as well without any complications. For any other doubts or any clarifications, please contact us.